Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned how to install Fiber, how to install Node.mon, and create API route using Fiber. And also we have learned how to read the data from the table, from the database. And now today uh, you know uh, we're going to do some models, controller, etc. So let me show you what we did in the previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, please go to my YouTube channel and watch it. Otherwise you will not understand. Here you may become a little bit confused. So let us boot go run dot. Let us see what we have done in the previous video. So this is the thing that we have done in the previous video. Oh, I'm sorry, here I did not start my jump sudo ovtlm pp start. Let us start my jump. Okay, yeah, now it is started. So if we come here and refresh it, then this is our database, this is our data here. And now if we come here and refresh this one, okay, now we have to restart it again. Control C. Let us run the Node.mon actually, because it is really, we always have to stop and run, otherwise if we don't run Node.mon. Okay, go run go signal down. Okay, yeah, now it's running. So let us come here and see. This is what we did the previous video. Now today we are going to get data, the single data using the ID. Okay, so how we are going to do that? First, before doing anything, let us build some models. Models means the struct, where we're going to put this struct in a separate files, so that it becomes like an OOP concepts, it following the MVC system, which is model B controller. So let us write here models. Okay, models. Okay. Inside the models, users, because I'm going to put user struct here. Oh, sorry. Okay, and let us come here and cut this and paste it here. Let us mention the package model. Okay. So this is what we have here, user struct. And then now here, because it is in the models, okay, inside the models folder, and inside that we have a user. So now here this become what we can say, undeclared name. So to make it declared, just add a models here dot, yeah, yes, now it's done, I think. Okay, it will still work here. When it comes error the node models, always stop it, means when it cannot fix it, it automatically stop it. So let us restart it again, and then if we go back to our local host, then it should be the same. It is the same, because we just have only create new file, and put it here. So this is how we can do. And now again, now it becomes like this becomes a problem, means we also need to put this into some another file, so that it become organized like MVC. So we create a new file known as controllers. Let us put it controllers, and then we put it here inside that new file, users.code. okay, and then mention the package name. Package will be the controller, and then inside controller we're going to put this cut this. Okay, and then we're going to put it inside this controller. Okay, well, now we need to put some name to this function, and that is let us put it home page, home. Okay, and save it. Okay, so actually before why it is without version 2, I don't know why they are doing like this. Should be version 2. Yeah, now it's fine. And now what we can do is we can mention this controller dot home here, from where we have cut this. We can put it now controllers. Where is the controllers? This is the controllers dot home. Okay, now it is fine here. Now it becomes very clean, right? It becomes very clean and neat and clean. So when we come to the home page, it will still the same. Okay, we just put code to some other files, but it is still okay here. Now we need to find only single data using the ID. Okay, using ID we are going to find it. So how we are going to do that is just copy and paste just copy and paste it here, and instead of that we are going to put it users. Okay, user on a single, and then semicolon ID. Okay, because we need some ID here, and then instead of this home we're going to have new, and that is user, only user. Okay, and where we're going to write this function, this is a function. Okay, and it should be here inside this go users, users.go. Okay, so just copy it, it should be the same here. Okay, I'm going to copy the whole thing because the whole thing is very similar, very similar. So here inside that here I have put some function user. Okay, here I'm going to put this name, and others are all similar, but instead of this one array here, we just remove this array, and modular user, it's also the same. Users, I think it also can be same. Just remove that s because we are not going to have multiple users now. Okay, and before that let us go to the GORM documentation. Sorry, GORM documentation. Let us go to this query, and then let us see the instruction that retrieve object with primary key. So here, to retrieve object with primary key, we just need this one. This will, what it will do is select all from users where id equal to 10. It will be like this. Okay, we will get. So here instead of find, we are going to replace it with first user and id. Okay, here should be our id, whatever we need, and from where we are going to get it, it's here id. Okay, here. So let's go to the Fiber Golang documentation. Okay, and see if there is any yeah, here to get the parameters, right? This we need this what semicolon, or what I I could not remember what it is called. Name. It is, I think it should be, I think, semicolon, right? It should be what it is called. Colon. Yes, it is colon. So we just need to write this colon and the name of the parameters, and we can call it like this: c dot params and the name of the parameters. Okay, So we're going to do it same here. What we have is colon id. So how to get this colon id? We're going to just have here id and then colon id, right? This c dot params and then no and then id, yeah, because we're going to get id, and we're going to put this id here. Okay, now that's it guys. It should be working fine by now. Okay, so let us try this URL now. First, remember what id we need 9. Okay, 9 10 11 we have, so slash user 9. See, we got this 9, and if we replace 9 to 10, then we get the value of user id 10, then we get the user id value 11. Alright, like this. And so if we don't have anything, then let's see what it shows. So 0 and name, because it does not have any data. We don't have any data. So guys, that's it, how to get the single data from the database using the primary key. So we'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching.